Welcome to today's episode, where we explore real English through everyday conversations, enriching our language skills in relatable ways. Picture a bustling coffee shop. The aroma of fresh brew fills the air as friends, Sarah and Michael, settle down for a catch-up, eager to share their lives. They are surrounded by the soft chatter of other customers, the clinking of cups, and the hiss of the espresso machine, creating a cozy backdrop. As they ease into conversation, Sarah expresses how busy life has been lately, reflecting on the whirlwind of recent weeks. Michael, nodding along, agrees wholeheartedly, sharing his own struggles between work and family. It's evident that these feelings are relatable to many as they dive deeper into how overwhelming it can feel at times. With a supportive smile, Sarah mentions she has started yoga to help unwind, while Michael reveals he took up running. They both share how these activities have made a difference in reducing stress, emphasizing the importance of finding ways to cope. As their conversation flows, it highlights that connecting over everyday challenges can help us learn and grow together. Thank you for joining in. Remember to practice these phrases in your conversations. See you next.